If you're still sending texts each day to every job to assess equipment performance and drying progress, your life is about to change. Introducing the Dri-Eaz Command Center Pro app and dashboard, the free app that requires no contracts and no additional equipment. Connect via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi already built into Command Hub-enabled Dri-Eaz dehumidifiers and HEPA 700 air scrubbers. Register your company in the Command Center Pro dashboard, then add new users and assign their roles. You can set up jobs in the dashboard, or techs can easily add jobs on the mobile app when they arrive on site. Just power up the unit, scan the on-screen QR code, and it's ready to assign to a room. The app can even access Protometer BLE devices to remotely monitor moisture in walls and more. Imagine the savings: fuel, labor, management hassles. The dashboard maps job sites, graphs drying trends, tracks equipment locations, prompts for maintenance, and enables download of key job reports for insurance. All of this data is accessible even after a job has been closed. Best of all, you have access to job progress 24/7 from anywhere using the Wi-Fi built into Dri-Eaz equipment. Register your company at lbcc.pro, then download the mobile app and take command of your techs, jobs, and equipment the way you've always wanted.